guys, it's Angela Nicole Chu, and today I'm going to show you how to make oven roasted radishes. Let's go! So today's ingredient list is actually really short. You're going to need, a baking pan, some radishes, cooking spray, pepper, sea salt, garlic powder, and to spice it up a little more, Italian seasoning. So first you want to start thinly slicing your radishes. Now remember, these are going to be chips. So if you like a thick chip like you have in a lot of restaurants, you want to do thick radish slices. If you don't like thick chips, if you like thin chips, Ridley, then you'll want to do a very thin slice to your radishes. So next you want to go ahead and put down some cooking spray onto your baking pan and add all of your new radishes. You want to spread them out evenly, that way they cook well, and go ahead and spray those with the cooking spray also. We are almost done. Now it's time for your seasoning. Go ahead and add some of that Italiano, some of that black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and last but not least, some sea salt. Now don't overdo it on the salt, folks. You don't want these to become unhealthy. If you feel like more is needed, put some other seasonings on in greater quantities. Your oven should be going at 400, so go ahead and add these puppies in for a good 12 to 15 minutes. And voila! Fresh radish chips straight from the oven.